Hello everyone, this is David. Thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today we will show you how to use the shoes embroidery device. At first, we need to assemble the device like this. We can adjust the two clamps to adjust the catching wise. Also, we can adjust the screw height if the clamps cannot catch very tightly. Before we installing the shoes device on machine, we need to select the flat embroidery free. Okay, now we can move the reel to backside a little and install the shoes device on the machine. Now we need to install the device on Rainbow embroidery machine. We can move the reel to left side and install the device on the reel and fix it by 3mm screwdriver. Okay. Also adjust two clamps to suitable wise and tie the two screws by the screwdriver. Okay, we turn on the light and move the shoes device to center of the reel. We can put the shoes on the device now. We can open the clamps and put shoes on the device. And then close the clamps. Okay, now let's go to control screen. At first we need to select pattern for the shoes. For example, we select this one. We need to measure the size on the shoes. And if the pattern is too big, we can reduce its width to be 19% here and reduce its height to be 19% too. Now the pattern was reduced to 19%. You can say there is a cross on the screen. It is correspond with the right dot on the shoes. So if you want to embroider the pattern here, we need to move the right dot here. Then we can move the pattern position by these buttons. And we can click this button to preview embroidery error on shoes. Then we can set color for the pattern. Click this. And there are total 5 colors in the pattern. First we can make it orange color, and the second we can set it black, and other stitches we can make it white. Okay, and then we can Click this button to make machine be in ready state. After everything confirming, we can click start to start the embroidery work.